Everyone, this is Navneeta. Now we are going to study the topic from refraction of light at curved surfaces. So numerical based on image formation at spherical surface image formation. So the question is, a transparent glass sphere has small opaque dot at its center. Does the apparent position of the dot appear to be the same as its actual position when observed from outside? Now let us find out. Now we need to take one transparent spherical surface. So this is a transparent spherical. So here at the center one opaque dot is formed. Yes, so a transparent glass has a small or opaque dot at its center. So this is a dot at its center. Now the observer is observing from outside, that means from air. Now the refractive index of the air is equals to 1, that is n equals to 1. Yes, the refractive index of the sphere, that is n, and the radius of curvature of the sphere is r. So here they are asking that, does the apparent position of the dot appear to be the same as its actual position when observed from outside? So where is the object? So here at the point of dot the object is placed. Yes. So the direction of the object is like this. Here this is the point of pole. Now, so the distance of P to C is known as radius of curvature. P to O or P to C we can take here. We need to find here object distance, that is from P to O or P to C we can take. So here object distance equals to PO, or we can take PC, PO or PC. This equals to R. And refractive index of sphere equals to N. Now we know the formula, that is N2 by V minus N1 by U equals to N2 minus N1 by R. Yes, so this is N1, N2 minus N1 by R. So here N2, that is refractive index of air. This is the first medium and air is the second medium. Yes, so refractive index of N2 is 1, is equals to 1. So V is as it is minus N1. N1 is the refractive index of sphere equals to N by U. Yes, here U value is a R. We know object distance is denoted by U. So what is the object distance? R. So here we are taking the value as a minus R, because here the incident ray direction is like this, and we measure the distance of the object from the pole. So we measure like this. So this is opposite to the incident ray. So that's why we are taking here minus r. It is equals to 1 minus n by minus r. Yes. So here this minus r take to the numerator. So here 1 minus n by minus r is there, no? So this minus is takes to the numerator. So then what we will get? Minus of 1 minus n by r. So this will form as a minus of 1 minus n by r equals to n minus 1 by r. So we can write 1 by v plus n by r equals to n minus 1 by r. So here 1 by v equals to, we can write n minus 1 by r minus n by r. Yes, so this n by r take to this side. So it will get minus. So 1 by v equals to n minus 1 by r minus n by r. Because here we are finding the image distance. So here we will get n minus. So this n minus 1 by r minus n by r. So here both denominators are same. So we can write n minus 1 minus n by r. So plus n minus n gets cancelled. Here the remaining is minus 1 by r. So we can write 1 by v equals to minus 1 by r. So we can write v equals to minus r. So the image distance is equals to minus r. So here the object distance and the image distance of this opaque dot is equal.